Hello children, today we will be doing a new topic, that is subtraction. You have already done it in class 2. We will first take a simple look on class 2 work. We'll do some examples of the questions done in class 2. You have done a 3-digit number in class 2, and in class 3 you will be doing 4-digit numbers. So let's start. I'll share. So here you can see, as you can see, mathematics class 3 subtraction by me, Neetu Gupta. I'll be telling you about subtraction. I hope you all are able to see the screen. So today we will cover recap of subtraction done in class 2. Okay. Then then the meaning of subtraction, basic subtraction facts, and subtraction of 4-digit number without borrowing. That I'll tell you. So let's do a recap what you have done in class 2. 9 minus 8. It's a simple 3-digit number. Here we'll start subtracting. 9 minus 8 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. It was a simple. Here we do not have to borrow the numbers. So this was without borrowing. Let's take another example of borrowing. Here the 0 is less than 8. So we'll have to borrow 1 from 9 and it will become 10. And this 9 will become 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. And this 6 will remain as it is. Okay. Now let's take one more example. Here also you can see 1 is less than 8. So we'll have to borrow. So this will become 11. 11 minus 8 will become 3. This 13 minus, this will become 3 first. Then 1 we will borrow from 7, because 4 is still again, 3 is again lesser than 6. So we'll have to borrow. Now 13 minus 6 will become 7. And this 7 will become 6, because we have already, this 7 has given 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3 would be 3. So I hope you have understood this. This was a simple thing which you have already done in class 2. Now let's see what is subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. It is also called difference between two numbers. Yes, you are right. The answer which you get after subtracting is called the difference. Okay. Let's move to subtraction facts. Fact number 1. Subtracting a number from itself gives the answer 0. If I subtract 2 from 2, the answer would be 0. So here, since we are dealing with the 4-digit numbers in class 3, so we'll take an example of 4-digit numbers. So 1456 minus 1456 is 0. Now, let's do some eye relaxation exercise, because it's important for you to relax your eyes while doing a lot of screen work. So in between, you should always do eye exercise. So now please close your eyes like this. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Again, this will do for 3 times. Breathe in, breathe out. One last time. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, rub your palms and keep on your eyelids. Now, gently open your eyes. Fact number 2. Subtracting 0 from a number gives the same number as difference. As you can see, if I subtract 0 from any of the number, the answer will remain same. So 1311 minus 0 or 1311 minus 0 will be 1311 only. Fact number 3, subtracting 1 from a number gives the predecessor of the number. Predecessor means, yes, the previous number. Everyone knows predecessor means the previous number, the number which comes before. Like if I subtract 1 from 1678, the answer would be 1677, because this 1677 comes before 1678 and it is also called as predecessor. So if it is a new term, please learn this. Okay. Now fact number 4. When we subtract two numbers, the bigger number is called the minuend and the smaller number is called the subtrahend. I'll show you one example. Suppose this is the number 8766 and the smaller number is 3243. So this bigger number will become minuend and the smaller number will become subtrahend. Okay. And this is the answer. The answer is called as difference, which I have already told you in my first slide. The answer is called the difference and the bigger number is called the minuend, the smaller number is called the subtrahend. Now let's do some two questions of 4-digit number without borrowing. It's very simple without borrowing. 6971 minus 3450. So 1 minus 0 would be 0. Sorry, 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. Let's go to another example. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 9 minus 3 is 6. It's very simple. Only the difference is it's a 4-digit number. So children, I hope you have enjoyed this session. So please keep practicing these type of question. In my next video, I will be coming with 4-digit numbers with borrowing, in which you have to borrow the number from the neighboring digit. So thank you all. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day and keep practicing. Enjoy learning. Keep learning. Thank you very much.